Hello, and welcome to another database tutorial brought to you by the Ocean County Library. Today's database is Culturegrams, an excellent database if you're looking for information about a specific country. This database is designed for elementary and middle school age children. The first thing you want to do is come to our homepage, theoceancountylibrary.org. Once there, take your mouse and move it towards the Resources tab. Once you hover over the Resources tab, it'll bring down a drop-down menu. You want to scroll down and left-click on Databases. Once you're there, it gives an alphabetical listing of all of the Ocean County Library databases. You can search for the database you're looking for by typing in the search box. So I'm going to type in Culturegrams and hit enter. And then you can see Culturegrams is here. Now, to access this from home, you want to enter OCL as both the user ID and password. So user ID OCL, password OCL. It just takes a minute to load. And once you're there, you can see that this is the home page. So there's a World Edition, a States Edition, a Canadian Province Edition, and then there's the Kids Edition. So we're going to left click on Explore. And then now we can select a country. So let's say we're interested in doing one on Spain. So we'll click on Europe. And then we can click on Spain right there. So it opens up this window with tons of great information. We have a bunch of Did You Know? There's People and Places, and it gives you all this different information: land and climate, population, language. Can you say it? There's History. It gives you a timeline, and then it talks about modern Spain. There's Lifestyle. It tells you about games and sports, holidays, food, what school is like, what life as a kid is like. And then there's Society, Culture Facts and Contacts. There's the flag. There's a map that you can click on. There's Quick Facts. And then over here on the right side, there's a photo gallery, slideshows, interviews, famous people, recipes, graphs and tables, world time, distance calculator, how far for us it is to Spain, or how far from England to Spain. And then there's a currency converter. You can see how much your dollar is worth in Spain. Spain, they use the euro. So if we click there, you can see $1 is equivalent to 0.82 of a euro. So this is a super great database if you're working on a class project and you need to do something about a country and you need more information. I highly recommend checking this one out. Thanks for watching.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.